What's up everybody, my name is Reid, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to upload cover songs to YouTube. More importantly, I am going to show you how to avoid copyright issues on the way. Let's get started. As you probably know, cover songs can be a great way to increase your exposure as a musician. A stranger is more likely to check out a song that they already know than check out a song by a no-name musician. Once you start making a name for yourself, you can focus more on your original songs, but when first starting out, I recommend covering songs to get that initial exposure. However, there is one main roadblock when covering songs: copyright issues. YouTube is known for causing headaches when uploading videos with popular music in them. This is because of the licensing laws that go hand in hand with that music. These licensing laws even apply to cover music as well. If you try to upload your cover song to YouTube, you're most likely going to run into some copyright issues. This can cause your video to be demonetized, be blocked, or can even ban your channel from YouTube itself. Luckily for us musicians, there is a service that can help us out. This service is called We Are The Hits. We Are The Hits is a company that has partnered with many of the big music publishers to get the legal rights to cover their catalogs. According to the website for We Are The Hits, it includes 95% of today's top hits. They even have a search option to show you which songs are included. I recommend checking that list before you do cover the song that you want to cover. That way, if it's not on there, you're not wasting your time and not able to share what you covered. If the song that you do want to cover is on the list, all you need to do is go to wearethehits.com and sign up for a free account. Once you are signed up, there is an option to link your YouTube account to your We Are The Hits account. Then you can directly upload videos from We Are The Hits and include all your metadata, and it will upload to YouTube for you. And that is basically it. It's a really simple application. One thing that I should mention is We Are The Hits actually pays you too. Even if you don't have the YouTube monetization requirements, you get the payment for some of the ads. It's a very minimal amount, but who's going to complain about a little bit of extra cash, you know? One last thing I want to talk about before I end this video is that this only includes uploading to YouTube. It doesn't include how to upload to Spotify or Amazon Music or Apple Music, how to upload legal covers to those sites. But if you want to know how to upload to those services, just leave a comment below and I can make a video on that. Thanks for watching again, guys. I'll see you next Monday.